And so in today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Just click this, click it. You know it's gonna be good. And click the like button, it's gonna be good too. And so today, our mom's here to tell us what we're gonna be doing today. So let's go.
All right, guys, so you know that I'm an educator. However, I face the same challenge many of you face when it comes to studying spelling words. So today, Aubrey and I are gonna show you a technique that will help you and your child make sure they learn their spelling words.
But it'll be fun.
In order to use this strategy, all you will need to do is come up with several action words and emotion words, such as happy, surprise, sad, whisper. Once you have these list of words, we write them on index cards. Then you will also need a list of your child's spelling words. Now, you can do this several ways. One, you can allow your child to randomly pick the different action words or emotional words, and then you give them a spelling word. And what your child then would do, using that emotion word or acting out that emotion word, they would spell their spelling word. You can also tell them which action word or emotion word you want them to act out, and then have them spell whatever spelling word you want to have. Here's how Aubrey chose to do it to show you the concept of this strategy. Aubrey, your silly voice is whisper. Your spelling word is vacation.
V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, whisper.
Your silly voice is grumpy. Your spelling word is tomato.
T-O-M-A-T-O.
Awesome job, Aubrey. Aubrey, your silly voice is whiny. Your vocabulary word is opening.
Whiny.
All right, your silly voice is cheerful. And your vocabulary word is student.
S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Cheerful. Okay, that was fun.
Your silly voice is surprised. And your vocabulary word is 11.
E-L-E-V-E-N.
Your silly voice is sad, and your vocabulary word is your. Let me use that in a sentence. Your father is taking you to dinner.
Today? I'm just kidding.
Sad.
Why? Oh, you. What is that? That sounds like SpongeBob.
I hope you and your child enjoy this strategy as much as Aubrey does. Comment below on the different strategies you use to help your child learn their spelling words by the end of the week. Make sure you like, and if you haven't, subscribe to this video.